Hey guys, I've got a 2011 Kia Sportage and I'm going to change the brake pads today and show you how to do it. It's really simple. Anybody can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. First of all, if you've got these cool custom rims that came with your Kia, you're going to need this special lug bolt. You take that one off. You can see it right here. So we're going to remove this, the wheel, and jack up the car so that we can get to the brake pads. All right, hang on, let's get it done. Okay. Okay, now we got it jacked up. Let's go ahead and get the wheel off. This bolt here, you can see that. And that one there. Those two are going to be gone. Then this whole thing comes off. Stick it up here out of the way. Feel our rotors. The rotors are nice and smooth, so we don't need to replace those. Just the pads. So the pads are real easy. They just pop out. You can see how thin this is. You can see that. There's no pad left. That's what the pad's supposed to look like. See the two different thicknesses. So this one is going to go on here, just like that. Take that one off. Put on the new pad. So you're going to need one of these, because what's happening here is you got to push this in. So you'll want to grab hold of it like this and just squeeze it slightly. It's going to go in. I'm going to take a little bit of pressure. Really easy. Then once you get it started, just apply constant pressure until it goes all the way in. There we go. Get all the way down. Okay, once it's in, then you just put it back on. It's pretty simple stuff. Just like that. Get your two bolts back in there. That's it. You're done. You got brakes now. You saved yourself about $250. Cost you 38 bucks for a set of brake pads, and you're golden. Talk to you soon. Later.